Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have XIAOMI Smart Band 10 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to track the amount of steps taken on this smart band. So let's get started. And we can track the steps in a few ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face, because some of the watch faces display that information. This one doesn't, but you can always press and hold on the current watch face to open the watch face menu, then find the watch face that displays the steps and apply it. Like this one, for example. Another way to check the step counter is to swipe left on the home screen to open the activity card. And here we have the step counter. And you can also tap on this activity card to open the activity app. And here you can track your stats even further. And the last way to do it is to use the phone application on the phone that is paired with your smart band. So if you grab your phone, you can open the Mi Fitness application on that phone. And once you open the app, you have access to more detailed information. Let's go back. Basically, on the health page, you have the steps right here. And you can check the daily, weekly, and monthly data. So you have quite a lot of more data if you want to track that. And basically, that's how you track the amount of steps taken on this smart band. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.